Classes. 1. Product class. Attributes. Product ID, product name, and price. Constructor. Initializes the product with the given ID, name, and price. 2. Sale class. Attributes. Sale ID, product ID, quantity, and total amount. Constructor. Initializes a sale with the given ID, product ID, quantity, and total amount. 3. Sales management system. Class. Private attributes. Products, vector of product objects, and sales, vector of sale objects. Member functions. Display menu. Displays a simple menu for the sales management system. Add product. Adds a product to the system by taking user input for ID, name, and price. List products. Displays a list of products including their ID, name, and price. Make sale. Allows the user to make a sale by specifying the product ID and quantity. List sales. Displays a list of sales including their ID, product ID, quantity, and total amount. Main function. Instantiation. Creates an instance of the sales management system class named System. Menu and user input. Inside a do-while loop, the program displays the menu using System Display Menu and asks the user to enter a choice. Switch case. Based on the user's choice, it calls the corresponding function from the sales management system class, add product, list products, make sale, list sales, or exits the program. Loop continuation. The loop continues until the user chooses to exit. Choice 5. Execution flow. 1. Adding a product. User selects option 1, enters product details, ID, name, price, and the product is added to the system. 2. Listing products. User selects option 2, and the system displays a list of all products with their details. 3. Making a sale. User selects option 3, enters product ID and quantity. If the product is available, a sale is recorded and the total amount is calculated based on the quantity and product price. 4. Listing sales. User selects option 4, and the system displays a list of all recorded sales with their details. 5. Exiting the program. User selects option 5, and the program exits. Note: product and sale indices are managed using the vectors indices, starting from 1. Some input validation is implemented to handle invalid inputs for P. An instance of the sales management system class named System is created. An integer variable, choice, is declared to store the user's menu choice. 2. Menu display and user input. The program enters a do-while loop, which initially runs at least once. Inside the loop, the system display menu function is called to display the menu options. The user is prompted to enter their choice, and the input is stored in the choice variable. 3. Switch case. A switch statement is used to perform different actions based on the user's choice. Depending on the value of choice, the corresponding case is executed. 4. Case 1. Add product. If the user enters 1, system.addProduct is called. The user is prompted to enter the product details, ID, name, price, and a new product object is created and added to the products vector. 5. Case 2. List products. If the user enters 2, system.listProducts chart is called. The program displays a list of all products in the products vector, showing their ID, name, and price. 6. Case 3. Make sale. If the user enters 3, system.makeSale is called. The user is prompted to enter the product ID and quantity for the sale. The program checks if the entered product ID is valid and if there are products available. If valid, a new sale object is created and added to the sales vector, and the sale is recorded. 7. Case 4. List sales. If the user enters 4, system.list_sales is called. The program displays a list of all recorded sales in the sales vector, showing their ID, product ID, quantity, and total amount. Alt. Case of 5. Exit. If the user enters 5, a message is displayed and the loop exits. 9. Invalid choice. If the user enters an invalid choice, a default case is triggered and a message is displayed. 10. Loop continuation. The loop continues as long as the user's choice is not exit. 11. Program termination. Once the user chooses to exit, the program exits the loop and returns 0, indicating successful termination. The overall working of the code involves interacting with the user through a menu, performing actions based on their choices, and managing product and sale data using vectors. The code aims to provide a basic sales management system with features like adding products, making sales, and viewing product and sales information.